Why is SEO keyword research such a pivotal part of a successful digital marketing strategy? The answer is simple. It's the foundation on which all effective SEO campaigns are built. Today, the spotlight is on the best tools for SEO keyword research and a deep dive into what makes each one unique. First up is Google Keyword Planner. As a free tool directly from the search engine giant itself, it offers a wealth of information. It provides search volume for specific keywords and gives new keyword suggestions. What sets it apart is the ability to see historical data and forecast future trends, making it an essential tool for long-term planning. Next in line is SEMRush. This tool goes beyond just keyword research. It provides insights into your competitors' strategies, including the keywords they are ranking for and the content that is driving their traffic. SEMRush stands out for its competitive analysis features, making it a vital tool for those looking to get a step ahead of the competition. Ahrefs is another tool that deserves mention. Just like SEMRush, it offers comprehensive SEO insights. However, its unique selling point is its backlink analysis. Ahrefs lets you see who is linking to your competitors, giving you the chance to target these domains and build your own backlink profile. Moz Keyword Explorer is a tool that goes in-depth with keyword suggestions. It offers thousands of suggestions for each keyword, along with metrics like search volume and keyword difficulty. What makes Moz stand out is its prioritization feature, which helps you focus on the keywords that will give you the best return on your investment. Finally, there's KWI Finder. This tool shines in its simplicity. It offers an intuitive interface that makes keyword research a breeze. Plus, it has a unique feature that shows the trend of a keyword over the past 12 months, helping you avoid investing in fading trends. So, to summarize, Google Keyword Planner is great for historical data and forecasting. SEMRush shines with its competitive analysis. Ahrefs is the go-to for backlink analysis. Moz excels in keyword suggestion and prioritization, and KWI Finder stands out with its user-friendly interface and trend analysis. Remember, the right tool will depend on your specific needs and the strategy you're pursuing. But with these tools in your arsenal, you're well equipped to build a powerful SEO strategy that drives traffic and propels your brand to new heights. SEO keyword research is not just a task. It's an opportunity to understand your audience, their needs, and how you can meet them. So, choose your tools wisely and start building your SEO empire today.